Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. This Vicky here behind me is a 2023 BMW. 2023 BMW M440i. Okay? M440i. I want to show you guys how to take off this handle, the door handle, the mirror. You guys think this thing is all broken? That's no good, it's all broken. I'm going to show you guys how to take off this trim pad, okay? I will show you guys the points first and where all the hidden dust buzzers screws are, and then I will show you guys the work. Just pay attention and you'll be alright. It's enough chit chat, baby. Let's get to work. Alright guys, here we go. The first thing what I want you guys to do, get yourself a start tip 6-point. Start tip 6-point. This one's a T25, guys. Okay, this one is a T25. All right, what I want you guys to do, man, I need some light over here, man. Hold on, let me get some light, guys. See if this could work. Okay, that should work a little bit, I guess. All right, guys, see that screw right there? It's one right there. You're gonna turn that screw to the left and take it out. See that? Let's go like that. Turn to the left. Take it out. Then over here. Hold on, guys. All right, guys. It's the next one up here. I want you to come up here. Up underneath here, guys. See this? This piece. We're gonna take it out. So use a flathead. You're gonna put it in the groove back here. I'll find a groove. Some. This one don't even have the groove. Just put it. Put up in here and pry it out. Boom, comes right out. See that? Comes right out. Okay? And you're gonna take that screw from right there. Now, when you guys take that screw from right there, and that too, those two, and then you're gonna come up here. See this piece? You're gonna pop that piece out there, okay? So basically, hold this back, okay? Remember guys, keep in mind, I have the camera in my hand, okay? It's not easy at all. Take this piece out. Basically, go right here in the groove, snap it out. So basically, you're gonna hold this back. Hold this back with one hand, and you next hand, pop this piece out. See that? Comes right out. Then you're gonna take that piece out of there, that screw. See right there? You can't miss it. Right there. That screw right. Take the screw from there, and then you're gonna do the bottom. I want you to come down here, guys. I'm gonna put this light down here. Of course, this we gotta pop this off. It's a little bit hard to pop off. That's why you gotta put some muscle in, okay? You gotta put some muscle in it. I want you guys see here. You guys see this groove right here? There's a groove right there. That's what that groove there for. It's two of them. One, the two. So you could either choose to pull the door from here or from here. It's up to you. But anyways, put something up on the knee here, and you're gonna pry this back, okay? You're gonna pry it back, and then you're gonna put your hands up on the underneath it. Once you get this thing away from the trim panel, away from the door some, then you can put your hands up on underneath it. You're gonna pull the trim panel away from the door, okay? Don't be afraid, because it's all along here it's all clips, okay? It's all clips. So put your hand in there and pull it away, and then once we get our trim panel, I'm going to show you how to take the harness loose, okay? The harness that holds the locks and stuff like that. So those are the instructions. Let's get back to work, baby. That's one. Two. Get your tool up underneath, and you're gonna pull it back some. Pull it back some. Put your hands up underneath it, just like that. See? A hand up underneath it, and you're gonna pull it, just like that. Okay, guys. Now we're going to trim panel. I'm going to show you how to take loose the harness and the cable. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to show you guys how to take loose this cable right here. That's that, guys. This cable is for this handle right here, okay? For the handle, alright? Then I'm going to show you how to take loose that harness down there. See that harness? This one. So you take that loose. But first we're going to take this cable loose, guys. Guys, remember, I want you to be, what I am about to show you, please be careful, okay? You're going to come down here. Hold this open, okay? You still got my foot holding it? Hold this open. See the clip right there? Push it out slowly. Be gentle with it, okay? Be gentle. Be gentle. It comes out. Push it back. Just like that. See that? It comes out. Go like this. Comes out. Whatever you do, guys, don't break this piece. If you break this piece, your ass is grass. Yeah, you're gonna have to tie wrap it or glue it back. Don't break it, okay? Now, when you guys go to put this thing back, it's pretty simple. Okay? Just see right here, the head piece. Just put it in the groove right here. Go like this. Push it in, okay? That's it. Just push it in and you're good to go. Now we've got it out. Now we're going to take loose this harness. Go ahead and turn the panel. I'm going to turn the panel. Sorry about the camera, guys, but this is the only way for me to really show you guys how to get to it. Alright? Alright, guys. See this piece right here? Go ahead and take that loose off of there. Get yourself your clip tool right here, just pop it off. What that does is it gives you room for the trim panel to move, okay? Now we're gonna come down here. See right here, move this out your way. Move this out your way. See right here? Okay. Where we at? Okay. Down here. See this black clip right here? Gonna push this in. Push this back in and bring down the gray one, okay? Push it in. You're gonna push this in. Then you're gonna bring the gray one down. Now keep in mind, I got the camera in my hand, alright? Alright guys, remember what I told you. Push this in, this clip. Push it in, hold it in, and pull this one down, okay? Push it and hold it in. See that? Pull it down, pull it out. See that? Now it's loose, okay? Take it out. Just like that, comes right out. So basically, you're gonna push this in. Push this in and pull this one down, pull it out. And then your trim panel is loose. Alright? Guys, it comes off, okay? Not that hard, it comes right off. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the mirror. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this mirror now. Once you get off the trim panel, you're gonna come down here. Just grab this piece, snap it off. It comes off. Okay? See that? Just hold it and pull it, slide it up, okay? It slides up like this. And it comes off. So basically, when you guys go to put this thing back, right? This piece. You see this groove right here? Right here? Just right here. Just slide it back in the groove. Right here. Slide it back in the groove, alright? That is that. But now listen. This thing right here, it comes out easy, alright? This thing goes in there like this. All you gotta do is hold this one and hold that one and pull them away from each other, alright? Hold this one and hold that one and pull them away. It comes right out. Alright? That's how you do that. Okay guys, well, once you get the piece in right there, you take the two screws from right there. Actually, it's three of them. You're gonna take them two from right there. You're gonna hold this and you're gonna pop it up just like that. The next one right there. But before you guys take these three screws loose, by the way, this is a number 14, okay? Number 14 socket, all right? Or if it's number 14, you can use the 6-point star tip, T30, okay? The T30, all right? Then you could take it off, say T30. If you don't have the long one, you could also use this one, the short one, like this one, okay? They come like this as well. And take that off. So you guys have an option. But before you guys take them screws out of there, right? We're gonna take this loose first. So basically, you guys see these 2 pins, right? This thing have 2 pins. And one right here, there's 2 of them. One right here, and next one at the bottom. You're gonna hold them at the same time, and you're gonna like push them in like this. Push them in like this, and you're gonna pull out this piece. Do not pull this thing by the wire, okay? Don't do that, because you might pull the wire from out the circus. So basically, you're gonna use both hands. Use one hand to hold the pin down, and the next hand to pull the bad boy out. Now, I'm gonna put on this camera and take it out. See that? Goes right out. Now we're gonna take out them screws, all right? Go ahead and take the screws out. That's 1, 2. Going to hold the mirror. Hold the mirror, don't drop it. 3. See that? Comes right out. Goes right out, okay? That's it. Just like that, guys. Now I'm going to show you how to take out the handle. Let's get to it. Alright, guys. Get ready to take out this handle. Remember, it's the handle itself and the small one right there, alright? Just pay attention, guys. First thing, guys, you're going to need this one, alright? What size is it? This is the T15, guys. T15, okay? 6-point star tip. 6-point star tip. Alright? I want you to get your clip tool. If you see your clip tool, guys, you're gonna put it right here. You're gonna pop this off. Okay? Go like this, put it right here. Pop this off. See that? See that? It comes off. Now, you right here, 2 of them. Next one right here. Alright? Then, you see this right here? Take that piece from there, okay? Comes right out. Then you're gonna take this tool, right? Pick this up. Inside there, guys. I know you guys can't see there because it's dark. Then you're gonna look straight inside there. Straight down inside there, guys, you're gonna see a shiny screw, which is this one. Put this on inside of there. Straight inside there. Straight inside there. And you're gonna feed the screw down there. All right, it's down there. Then you're gonna turn that screw to the left. Okay. You can't see down there, but it's in there, guys. When you guys doing it on your end, you're gonna see the screw. It's in there. You're gonna turn that screw to the left. You're gonna hold this open. You're gonna turn the screw to the left and take that piece out, and then you're gonna slide the handle out. Okay. That's how you take the handle out. You can't miss it, guys. It's a screw down inside it. It's way down inside it. It's a small shiny screw. Alright. Okay. Pick it up. That's it. Get there. Turn to the left. Turn to the left. Alright guys, see? Literally, once you turn that screw loose, it pops right out. But you're gonna pull it out. Okay, now you gotta take this loose. It's pretty simple, guys. See right here, this one. Remember, you're gonna use both hands on your hand. You're gonna put your fly head right here, pull this spine back, and you're gonna pull this one out, okay? Don't break it, just put it slightly back, just like this. Pull it out, comes out. And then with this one is the same thing. See right here? Put your fly head right here and pry this up. See that? It comes right out, just like that. See that? It comes right out. But now I got to put it on the camera to take out this one. Okay, just push this back and pull that one out. See guys, come right out. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to take that piece out. That piece, don't take a look, but see, it comes right out. Guys, see this piece right here? We're gonna take it out. All right, you're gonna need this one, guys. You're gonna need a T25, okay? T25, 6-point star tip. All right, T25. You're gonna push this back, hold this open, right up there, guys. See that you see that screw? That shiny screw is up there. It's at an angle, guys. This time, this screw is at an angle. It's not straight ahead. It's at an angle. It's right there at the angle. It's right there. The big shiny is round and shiny. Can't miss it. See right there? Right there. Remember, guys, it's 2 screws, okay? You got 1 screw for the handle. You know, the screw that goes for the handle goes straight ahead. It's straight ahead. It's a really small screw. You're gonna see it. You can't miss it. Straight ahead. And the screw for this one is like that round and shiny, and it goes up that way, okay? So up that way. Then you're gonna turn that screw to the left, all the way to the left, and you're gonna take that out of there. Turn to the left. See that? It gets stiff. Comes right out. Alright? I'm going to show you the screw. See? Comes right out. I'm going to show you the screw. Guys, see the screw right here? Screw right there. Now the screw for the handle goes through right there. See that little slot right there? Goes right through directly through those 2 slots. Let that screw right. See, look, see? When you go to tight, just turn it back to the right. Now it's loose. We're gonna keep it loose, okay? That's how you do that. Alright. Now guys, but once you guys get out the little lock cylinder and the lock itself, the handle itself, the door could lock, okay? The door could lock. You could lock the door. Just grab this piece right here. Get this piece right here, grab it right here. Pull this piece back and the door will open up. If you cannot stand the pain, just go ahead and put a flat head or something in it and just slide it back, okay? It'll open up. Let me see if I can do it with my one hand. See that? So you guys see how I grab it? Watch the door open up. Open up, see that? So basically, you're gonna pull this thing loose and push the door and pull the door open. That's how you do that. The mirror is off, the handle is off, and the trim panel is off. All right? Guys, see? The trim panel is off. Okay? Sorry about that, guys. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I'll show you guys how to take off. I'll show you guys how to take off the mirror, the handle, and the trim panel. Alright? Now, all I want you guys to do is hit that like and bang that subscribe, baby. Support the channel. Alright? So with that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for the support, baby. I'm out. Working when you're checking out. Bam!